Hi there everyone, my name is Warren and I am the product genius here at South Shore Mini. Today I wanted to bring you a quick tutorial video on your Mini's electronic shifter. Now if your Mini is equipped with either the 8-speed sport automatic transmission or the 7-speed dual clutch transmission, you will have the same electronic shifter here in order to control your transmission. Just taking a look at the shifter to begin, we can see that there is a bit of a roadmap showing us all of the different positions of the shifter and what gear that will bring us into. So the first thing to remember with the electronic shifter is that you want to make sure you are pressing the unlock button on the left side of the shifter when you go to make any selection. To begin, just like always, we'll put our foot on the brake. Then we will depress the button on the side of the shifter, and we will either pull or push depending on the gear we want to go into. So we can see we're currently in park. If I want to go to drive, I need to pull back. So I'll push the button and I will pull the shifter all the way back and let go. And you can see now drive is lit up and we're in fact in drive, ready to go. If we then wanted to shift into reverse, we would once again depress the button on the left with our thumb. This time we'll push the shifter all the way forward and let go. We can see now reverse lights up, and we can also see our camera and parking sensors come on our central display. We can then shift into park by simply pressing the P button here at the top of the shifter. P lights up once again, and we're in park. Now if we wanted to access neutral, we can see that neutral is forward of park. So what we'll do is we'll simply depress the button on the left again to unlock, and we'll push the shifter forward simply one click. We can see now neutral lights up. If we then wanted to go back to drive, we'd press the button and we'd pull all the way back again. Now we're in drive. Now we can see on the shifter over to the left from drive, we can see M/S as well as minus and plus. This section is going to be for both sport automatic as well as manual shifting modes. So in order to access this, we simply start out by putting our Mini into drive like you would do. Once you're in drive, you can then, as the map indicates on here, push over to the left, and that will engage sport automatic. You can see in your digital instrument cluster, S followed by the gear number is indicated. Now in sport automatic, your Mini will still shift for you. It'll just do so in a more aggressive, performance-oriented way, holding on to each gear a little bit longer before shifting to the next. Now, if you wished to control the transmission manually, you can simply press the shifter forward or backward to either downshift by pressing forward or upshift by pulling back, as indicated by the minus and plus. Additionally, if your vehicle is equipped with the steering wheel mounted paddle shifters, you can go ahead and squeeze the plus or the minus to upshift or downshift right on the steering wheel. Then at any time when you're done shifting manually, simply push the shifter back to the right and you'll be back into standard drive. I hope this has been a helpful quick tutorial on your Mini's electronic shifter. I hope that it's either answered a couple basic questions regarding its operation, or it's taught you a new trick of how to unlock a little bit of extra performance out of your Mini by using the sport or manual shifting modes. As always, please feel free to reach out to me if you have any specific questions about your Mini's transmission or anything related to your Mini. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with tutorial videos just like this one. Once again, my name is Warren. I'm the product genius here at South Shore Mini. Take care.